Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install the Grok AI app on your smartphone. So let's get started. Unlock your Android device and tap on Google Play Store icon. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Grok AI. Hit search. Now look for the app developed by XAI. It should have the Grok logo and tap on it. Then tap install and wait for the installation to complete. If you prefer not to install the app, you can also access Grok AI through their official website grok.com. Once installed, tap open to launch the Grok AI app. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Grok AI app on your device. Explore its features and enjoy your AI-powered assistant. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.